In an effort to legitimize composition studies as a discipline, many theorists in the mid to late 60s started to identify gaps in the current pedagogy. This led to many empirical studies about the process of writing. In 1981, Linda Flower and John Hayes at Carnegie Mellon University published their own study titled A Cognitive Process Theory of Writing. Their cognitive process model emphasized the rhetorical problem that is writing and labeled three major elements within composing itself. In 1996, John Hayes also added a fourth element to the model, working memory. These steps were found to be recursive and hierarchical, revealing that the process of writing was not strictly linear. The study was critiqued mainly for the inaccuracy of protocol analysis. Despite these critiques, the study was sophisticated and provided the basis for further research in the cognitive process of writing. Scholars like Marlene Scardamalia and Carl Bayreiter developed their own model of writing. In 1992, Gary Hatch also reinterpreted the Flower and Hayes model. Today, scholars are still building upon and augmenting the research that Flower and Hayes did. Some are still investigating the gap in the study of emotions in the Flower and Hayes model. Even now, scholars study the impact of anxiety and stress on writing. The addition of working memory to the model also led to a series of investigations into cognitive overload and writing. Galbraith and Trent traced this research in their paper, Cognitive Models of Writing. While the Flower and Hayes model left much to be interpreted, their work provided a wealth of data and led to the development of the cognitive camp of composition. Research in the cognitive method has made leaps and bounds because of the foundation they provided, leading us ever closer towards understanding what happens in our heads when we write.